Welcome back everybody to another great video of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today we'll be doing one of the best burgers on a Traeger grill. Let's fire up that Traeger. We have a special guest that's going to let us know what kind of beef or meat we'll be using on today's video. Kent, take it away.
Krusty, what can you tell us about this fantastic new sandwich?
I'm glad you asked, Kent. We start with grade A beef, feed that to other cows, then kill them and serve the unholy results on a 7-grain bun.
That was a little weird way to doing beef, explaining how they do the beef, but I don't think that our beef is made like that. So let's get this burger started. Alright, so here is the beef that we're going to be using for today's. We got bacon, we got jalapenos. We're going to be adding jalapenos. We're going to add a twist on beginners. We're going to add ham, and we're going to add an egg. So that's why these are the best burgers you're ever going to. I'm going to do one probably the size of your hand. A nice sized burger. Now you can grab it, and then we're just going to press it down. You know, nothing major. That's how we do it in the backyard. Just bam. That's a perfect size. And what we're going to be using from Florida Barbecue Guys. This is really great. We tried these a few times on our burgers that we did on the Blackstone. So we're going to add this to this burger. This smells good. This smells so good. And I know this is going to be really good. Do it on both sides. Don't be scared. So this one has paprika, brown sugar, chili powder, sea salt, black pepper, garlic, ground cumin, and ground mustard and red pepper. Smell, and I'll have a link on the description where you guys can get the Florida Barbecue Guys. Let's take it to the Traeger. Alright, so here we have it. Our Traeger is up to 350 degrees. And we're going to add bacon also to cook with this. Here it is. And we'll be back in 15 minutes. So what makes this cook so special also is we're going to have our Blackstone that's going to come and help us with an assist. We're going to do the ham and the eggs on the Blackstone, and so that's the beauty of having both. In 15 minutes. Oh, that looks good. So now we're going to just flip it. The bacon looks like it's about ready. So we're going to take the bacon out, and then the burger should be almost done. We'll be back in another 10. Alright, now we're on the Blackstone to do the egg and the ham. Yes, we're going a little extra on this cook. And then we're going to put our egg in this little cool thing. And what it does is just keeps everything in there. So that's how we're going to do these here in the Blackstone. And the rest was in the Traeger. Oh, and our buns. So we added mayo on our buns to toast them. That's how we're going to do those. How the egg keeps. I mean, it's going to be, I'm going to show you guys right now how simple it is with these eggs. And then, look at that. Isn't that perfect? Perfect. You keep it like that, or we can flip it. So, this is ready. There's ham. It's also ready to my liking. The buns are toasted. And that's it for the Blackstone, and we're going to go see how the meat's doing. Okay, now it's time to add the cheese on that burger. I'll put the cheese and another maybe 5 minutes and we'll be back. I've been there for 35 minutes. The burger went up to 160. It's ready to come out. So let's build this bad boy up. We'll be back. Alright guys, here it is. It's done and ready for build. I'm going to add our patty. Tomatoes. Onions. Bacon. We're going to add our egg. Right on top. Man. Ham. We're going to add some jalapenos over here. We're going to add our lettuce. A little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard, before we take a bite into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did. Alright guys, are you guys ready? Because I am ready to try this massive Traeger burger. The egg, the bacon, it's just the beef. You guys ready? 'Cause I'm ready. Oh, I like having burgers with eggs. When I go to a restaurant and they have them, I always grab them. I think adding an egg is always great. That Florida Guys barbecue rub, top notch. I have a link for that rub on my description. If you guys want to give it a try, you will not be disappointed. This is great. I mean, I love jalapenos on a burger too. Adding this plastic dill pickles just gave it that extra. I cannot beat that. Cannot beat that. Hope you guys learned a few things. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. There's more great content coming. You guys do not want to miss this. And don't forget to click one of these videos. This one, this one, this one. The subscribe button on this little guy right here. See you guys next time.